Welcome to Locally Hosted. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sam. We cover AI, machine learning, and dev tools.
Today, a repo with nearly 49K stars that changes how we read code.
It's called Understand Anything, and it turns code bases into interactive graphs.
Wait, graphs? Like visual maps of your entire project?
Exactly. It analyzes the code with a multi-agent pipeline to build a knowledge graph.
So instead of just reading files, you can explore relationships?
Yes, you can search, explore nodes, and ask questions about the structure.
That sounds like a lifesaver for legacy codebases.
It's designed for that exact pain point. Imagine joining a team with 200K lines of code.
Ugh, where do you even start? Who wrote this? What does it do?
With Understand Anything, you get an interactive map. It's like a visual index.
And it works with Claude Code? I see that badge on the repo.
It's a Claude Code plugin. It uses that multi-agent pipeline to analyze the project.
So you run it, and it spits out this graph?
Not just a graph, a searchable, queryable knowledge base derived from your code.
Does it only work with Claude? What about other AI tools?
It supports Codex, Cursor, Copilot, Gemini CLI, Code, and more.
Wow, that's a huge list of integrations.
They list them all in the README. It's built to be agnostic where possible.
How does it actually build the graph? Is it just parsing ASTs?
It uses a multi-agent pipeline. That implies deeper semantic understanding than just syntax.
Semantic understanding is key. Syntax is easy. Meaning is hard.
Right. The graph connects concepts, not just files. You can ask questions about logic.
Like, where is the payment logic defined across the whole repo?
Yes. The graph allows you to explore those connections visually and via query.
This feels like the missing piece for onboarding new devs.
It's literally described as turning any codebase into an interactive knowledge graph.
And it's open source? MIT license?
Yes, MIT licensed. And you can try a live demo on their homepage.
Understand-anything.com? I'll check that out.
They also have a Discord community. Good place to ask questions.
49K stars is massive. What's the core philosophy here?
Graphs that teach graphs that impress. Focus on utility over aesthetics.
That's a refreshing take. Most tools try to look cool first.
This one is pure utility. It's about comprehension and navigation.
So you install it, point it at your repo, and boom?
You get a graph you can explore. It supports multiple languages via the underlying AI.
Does it handle large repos well? 200K lines was the example.
The README specifically cites 200K lines as a use case. It's designed for scale.
I'm impressed by the breadth of AI support. Cursor, Copilot, Gemini.
It's not just a Claude thing. It's an ecosystem play.
How does it differ from just using GitHub Copilot's chat?
Copilot chat is conversational. This is a persistent, visual, explorable graph.
Ah, so it's a map, not just a guide.
Exactly. You can navigate it like a database, not just ask questions.
This could change how we review code. Seeing the structure helps.
It turns implicit knowledge into explicit, visual structure.
Is there a cost, or is it just API calls?
It's a plugin. You likely pay for the underlying AI model's API usage.
Fair enough, but the value is in the graph generation logic.
The multi-agent pipeline is the secret sauce. It structures the chaos.
I need to try this on my own messy projects.
It's available on GitHub. Search for Understand Anything.
And the homepage has a demo. Very accessible.
Yes, it lowers the barrier to entry significantly.
So, the big takeaway? Codebases are too big to read linearly.
Correct. We need graphs to navigate complexity. This tool delivers that.
Subscribe to Locally Hosted for more deep dives.
Original source is linked in the description.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.